Hello friends, welcome in my YouTube channel Rudra Study Circle, which provides the video related to engineering mathematics. Please subscribe my channel so you can get update about my all upcoming videos. In this video, I am going to explain solution of system of first order ordinary differential equation. In these last videos, I have explained how to solve first order ordinary differential equation. In this method, we are going to find the eigenvalues and eigenvector of a given matrix. So please refer my video eigenvalue and eigenvector of a given matrix. Let us see what is the system of first order ODEs. First I will explain working procedure, then we'll go for the example. So let us have x1 dash equal to a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus f1x x2 dash equal to a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus f2x. So here we have two non-homogeneous first order ordinary differential equation. So if you write in the matrix form, so this is the x1 dash x2 dash equal to a11 a12 a21 a22 x1 x2 plus f1x f2x. This is the plus. Now if you write in the matrix form, so x dash equal to ax plus g, where capital X is the column vector x1 dash x2 dash, capital X is the x1 x2 vector, and A is the coefficient matrix and G is the non-homogeneous part of equation f1 f2. So these all are vectors here. Now how to solve this? So what we do, first we find the eigenvalues and eigenvector of this A matrix. So here we have two equations, so we are getting 2 cross 2 A matrix. So we get the two eigenvalues lambda 1 lambda 2. So corresponding to lambda 1 lambda 2, we can have eigenvector x1 and x2. So this P matrix of eigenvector is called the model matrix. We need this model matrix. So for solving this system of differential equation, we take x equal to py, where p is the model matrix and y one new variable. So substitute in this main equation, what we get? We get py dash equal to a py plus g. Now multiply by p inverse, so we get y dash here, because p inverse into p identity matrix. So y dash equal to p inverse ap y equal to p inverse g. So this p inverse ap equal to d, using this transformation we can have diagonal matrix dy plus, let us have, this is h. Now if you open this one, we get y1 dash y2 dash equal to, this is D matrix, diagonal matrix, so this will be lambda 1 0 0 lambda 2 and y1 y2 plus h1 h2. If you open this bracket, so what we get? We get y1 dash equal to lambda 1 y1 plus h1, and second equation y2 dash equal to lambda 2 y2 plus h2. So this equation we can solve. This is in single variable y1, this is in the y2, so we can solve and we can get the y vector. And once you get the y vector, so your answer will be x equal to py. So x is your required solution, that equal to py, where p is the model matrix and y is the solution y1 and y2. Let us see one example. So this is the given homogeneous system of equation. So we can write in the matrix form. So we can get x1 dash x2 dash equal to 2 2 5 minus 1 x1 and x2. So this is the form of x dash equal to ax. So we find the P matrix here. So for P matrix we get the eigenvalues lambda 1 equal to -3 and lambda 2 equal to 4. I am not finding eigenvalue vector. You can refer the previous videos how to find out. And x1 equal to the 2 minus 5 and x2 equal to 1 1. So these are the eigenvalues and eigenvector of the matrix A. So your P matrix will be 2 minus 5 1 1. So using this transformation x equal to p by our system of equation reducing y dash equal to dy, just now we have seen. If you use this x equal to p by, so this equation reducing, so x dash, I will show you here, x dash equal to x, so x equal to py, so we can have py dash equal to a p by, and if you multiply by p inverse, so we get y dash equal to p inverse a p by, so this is the d, so y dash equal to dy. So we are going to solve the y dash equal to dy. So first equation will be y1 equal to lambda 1 y1. So lambda 1 equal to -3. So y1 dash equal to -3 y1, which imply y1 equal to c1 e power -3x. Similarly, we are going to solve y2 dash equal to lambda 2 y2, which imply y2 dash equal to lambda 2 equal to 4. So 4 y2, which imply y2 equal to c2 e power 4x. So we have got the y vector. So your y vector is c1 e power -3x, c2 e power 4x. Now your solution x equal to py. So P matrix we have 2 minus 5 1 1 into c1 e power 3x, c2 e power 4x. So if you open, so we get x1 equal to c1 2 e power -3x plus c2 e power 4x, and x2 equal to, x2 we can get c1 minus 5 e power 3x plus c2 e power 4x. So this is your solution x1 and x2. Let us see one non-homogeneous system of first order ODEs. So this is the given problem. So we can write in the matrix form. So this will be x1 dash x2 dash equal to -5 1 4 -2 plus we can have e power 2t and 6 minus 1. So this is the non-homogeneous equation, means we will have the solution contain complementary function plus particular integral. Okay, so using this transformation, so we write in the matrix form. So this will be x dash equal to ax plus g. So already I told x equal to py, if you substitute, so we get y dash equal to dy plus h, where h equal to p inverse g, h equal to, so just you have to multiply by p inverse, then we get the h equal to p inverse g. Now if you open this one, so we are going to solve y1 equal to lambda 1 y1 plus h1, where H1 is the P inverse G1 and Y2 equal to lambda 2 Y2 plus H2, whereas 2 is the P inverse G2. So let us see for this problem. So for this A matrix we have eigenvalues lambda 1 equal to -6. So first -1 we have, then we can write lambda equal to -6. So eigenvectors we have x1 equal to 1 4 and x2 we have -1 1. So your P matrix will be 1 4 -1 1. We need P inverse here, so we can have P inverse 1 by 5 minus 4 by 5 and 1 by 5 and 1 by 5. So this is your P inverse matrix. So let us try to find the complementary function. So complementary function means we have to solve this y dash equal to dy, this only. So in the previous problem we have seen how to solve this complementary function. So directly we can write the solution y1 equal to p into y. So p equal to 1 4 minus 1 1 and y equal to c1 e power minus x, c2 e power minus 6x. So this is your complementary function py. Now let us see how to find the particular integral. So the equation is y dash equal to dy plus p inverse g, where g is the non-homogeneous part. So this will be y dash equal to dy plus your p inverse is, let us try to find this p inverse g separately. So h equal to p inverse g. So this p inverse we have 1 by 5 minus 4 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5 and g equal to 6 e power 2t and minus e power 2t. So if we simplify, so we get e power 2t and minus 5 e power 2t. So this is your h vector. So we can write h here. So h equal to h vector. So your first equation will be y1 dash equal to minus y1 plus h1. h1 is e power 2t and second one y2 dash equal to lambda 2 equal to minus 6 y2 plus h2 equal to minus 5 e power 2t. So this equation we have. So now let us try to find the particular integral. So this we can find out using inverse method. So for the first equation we can have e power 2t by d plus 1. So your particular integral will be e power 2t by 3. This is the for first equation. And for second equation we can have minus 5 e power 2t by d plus 6. So in the place of d we replace the 2. So minus 5 e power 2t by 8. So this is your particular integral for second equation. So the vector form we can write particular integral equal to, the vector form first will be e power 2t by 3 and second one we can have minus 5 by 8 e power 2t. So this is your particular solution in the vector form. So this is your x equal to py. So this is a complementary function and this is the particular integral. So now let us write so this is a complementary function, this is the particular integral. So let us write the final answer x equal to, x we can have 1 minus 1 4 1 and c1 e power minus x, c2 e power minus 6x plus particular integral, so e power 2x by 3 and minus 5 e power 2x by 8. If you open this, so we get x1 equal to c1 e power minus x minus c2 e power minus 6x plus e power 2x by 3. First equation, first answer, and x2 equal to 4 c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power minus 6x minus 5 by 8 e power 2x. So this is your x1 and x2. Thank you very much.